Hi Brandy, my name's Todd DeBeer, Alpenrose Dairy. Got the video camera, everything looks good, and here's our video. Pretty much what we got here is a panel. The reason why we put one of the Voltage Vision R-3Ws here was, as you can see on the panel, there's no indicating lights, nothing of the sort. So what we're trying to accomplish here is kind of just an alert detect, let everybody know, hey, there is voltage in this panel, and to be aware of it. Also, when I wired it up, let me open this up. When I wired it up, I came up on the line side of the power instead of coming off the bottom. The reason why I did that was for maintenance guys, when they decide that they want to work on this and they go hit the disconnect up above, then they'll have reassurance knowing that it is dead. In case we only have 2 electricians here at the dairy, so if there's no electricians here, then they'll be able to check that and know that there's 0 voltage in the panel without having to actually jump and dive. Okay, once again, we're out here now on the case dock. This is where we installed the other one. The reason why we put one out here was there's really no voltage present indicator. We do have indicating lights for what motors are running. The folks that work out here on the dock are not maintenance, and so it actually turns out to be a pretty good troubleshooting tool for us. If they say that there's something wrong, they're able to come up to us and say, they just call it the flashy thing. The flashy thing is down, there's no lights. That way we can actually, that gives us a little idea before we get up here, and then we can run down below, check the disconnect, make sure everything's good. One of the things I like about it most is it's not just some random light that is on and you kind of get used to it. You just kind of take it for granted that it's there all the time, and everything becomes complacent. It's always flashing. It's very reliable with the LEDs. And as I stated before, it usually takes about 10 minutes to install one of these. And the toughest part about installing them is getting the downtime from the operators and the equipment to be able to install. This is our 3rd one that we've installed. We have only one on here right now, and this is actually showing us that the panel is live. This panel was probably the main reason why we purchased these. And the importance of the panel is we've got 20 different evaporator motors that are powered from this panel. In the future, our idea is to actually come out with these items right across the center there and come off of the load side of the fuses. That way we'll know if one of the fuses are blown on those evaporators. It helps out these guys at night immensely. We don't have an electrician on night shift, so the mechanics on night are able to know if it's got voltage, no voltage, and believe it or not, it's already saved me 1 call in, and I live like a half-hour away. It's also going to be great for our morning walkthroughs. It's going to make them nice and quick. We're not going to have to come over here, inspect the panel, go through all that. We can just walk up, bam, we see that we've got voltage, and everything's good to go.